In this video, let's try to quickly see how to upload a video from a Python script. Okay, so for that we'll need a project on console.cloud.google.com. Okay, visit this. I will also paste the link in the description. So go to create project and you can give any project. Let me just leave it as it is. Okay, let's create. Okay, it is creating. So basically we'll need the secret JSON file. Okay, so that's why we are here. Once we get the secret file, we can go and go with the scripts. Okay, so for that, to generate that, we'll go to APIs and services. We are in that project, whichever the new project we created, right? We are in that project now, and here let's create a credentials. We need a client secret file, right? So, and also, like, I mean, for just to see the public content, right, we can just go with the API key, and in the library we can let me just quickly show that also, so that if anyone can use it, we'll just need to enable this API. Okay, like let's say that if I want to see the public data, right, I can just enable this with this account. Okay, so but we don't need this for the upload API. We don't That's not actually helpful. Okay, so let's go back here, and we'll create a credentials, and to create the credentials we'll have to create it the OAuth client type, not the API key will be helpful only for kind of get calls. Okay, like I mean what to like post our videos and all, this kind of client IDs. Okay, to configure a client ID, let it load. We need to create a consent screen first. Okay, let's not go deep into it. Okay, we'll just create a consent screen. It will ask some information, and user type would be external because we don't have that account. Okay, let's create, and app name, let's say that YouTube upload, something like that. Okay, and support email, let me give my name, and developer contact information will be my name. Okay, my email, save and continue. And scopes, coming to scopes, you can set as required, but I don't we are just trying the upload YouTube mechanism, right? I don't want to go there. And test user, and you can, like, once you create this application, right, you can publish it. Okay, so you can publish it, and so the other YouTubers or any, right, like they can sign in and they can upload the videos. Okay, so but we won't be publishing it. So what we'll do is we will give my email ID for testing purposes. Okay, so that only this user can use this app for now. Okay, so now we have this ready. Consent screen is done. Okay, so now let's go back to the dashboard, and let's create the client secret now. Client secret file or client ID, and we'll set it as a web application for now, and web client one, let it be like that. And here, right, we'll need a redirect URL. Basically, when you can select a web application, right, after redirection it will redirect to some page posting the status, or like I mean the final status. It will send back to the final status to that site. Okay, let's say that I'm going to log into the some website, right? It will redirect to Google, and Google should send back me something, correct? So that's what we are trying to do here. Okay, so similarly what will happen is, okay, let me first paste what we're trying. Okay, so I'm going to paste this. Okay, so what the client secret will have this information ready. Okay, so once the authentication is done, it will publish the status to this port. So the Python script can listen to this, and and like I mean it will like getting the tokens and everything, like it will cache those tokens. We'll see that in action in some time. We'll just create this for now, and don't miss the forward slash at the end. Okay, I was facing a issue. Don't forget to do it. Okay, and now let's download this JSON, and we can place it here. uh, okay, yeah, let's place it like this. Okay, and okay, the download is done. We'll go there. Okay, and we'll rename it to match. uh, let's take the, I will just show you this. Okay, yeah, we need this. Okay, and let's rename the file to this. Basically the script will read this file. Okay, and here let's format it for better readability. Okay, so now, right, so now what is the task for this Python script is it will read this information, like whatever the token, whatever the information here, right, it will use these details to upload a video. And this you will need this script, okay, and this is like a custom script. You can just reuse it anywhere, like I mean, and also this will be available in the GitHubs, okay, but I will share my GitHub repo link. You can just use it, okay. And now what we'll do is, so we are done here, like I mean, we have configured a client secret JSON, and now we'll start the action, like I mean, we'll upload the video now. And okay, and also one more thing is, what are the required modules are these two. We will have to install Google API Python client and Auth client too, okay, Auth 2 client. And now let's start the action. So copy, okay, and yeah, done. So now it opened the site asking for our authentication. This is must actually, like I mean, we'll need to authenticate ourselves for the first time. And I already have a session, okay, so and also I have a, like I mean, sub channel, okay, so we'll be uploading videos to this. So we'll authorize with that account. We have been given access. We'll just continue because we trust this, because we are itself developing it, okay, continue. So now this task of authentication flow has completed, okay. So now this success status will be received by is received, okay. And so there is some error. Let's see. Okay, okay, YouTube data v3 has not been used in this project before, or it is disabled, okay. So one thing is, we need to enable that API for this action also, okay. Let's just quickly go on to it. Authentication is successful, but there is one thing we missed it. Actually, we need that for upload also, it seems. We'll go it here, YouTube data API v3, and we'll enable this. Enable. And also this authentication process is required only for the first time, okay. We don't need it from the second time. So let's go here. Let's it enter. It started uploading. In the meantime, let's go to the channel, right? Let me go there. Let me refresh to see if the video appeared. It is still uploading though. It is still uploading. Upload is done. Let's wait. Merge strings alternatively. Yeah, this is the file that we are updated. It is still processing, but upload is completed. It will quickly change the status to the, once it is all the processing is done, right, it will go to the private mode. That is it. So to just to summarize, right, just go to that site, create a project, and create a Auth client, and passing the required details, and download the JSON file and place it like this, client secrets, so that upload video script can read it, okay. So I will share the location for this script in the description, okay, and you can just download this and install the required pip modules and run these commands like this, okay. I will going to use this to upload the videos. I will just modify it accordingly, like I will have a custom script to run this upload video with the different files in a directory. Yeah, you can use it accordingly. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.